Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to promote Teepublic on Instagram in 2024. Of course, Instagram is a fantastic platform for visual promotion, making it perfect for Teepublic designers. So I'll guide you through the process of creating engaging posts, maybe stories example, and using some hashtags effectively to get your design in front of a larger audience. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into the video and simply let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open that browser, basically just go to this URL section. Here, make sure to go to tpublic.com first of all. And after that, make sure to open your Instagram.com. If it's your first time in both, of course, you might be taken to those two tabs. And here, of course, you'll have to go and log in into your account if you have an account. If you don't have an account, you'll have to click on sign up. You can use Facebook if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of doing so, reaching even logging in into your account. So the same will be for T Public. You can use Facebook for that to create an account or even log in if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of doing that. So once you're logged in into both, you'll find yourself here. Oh, I did not get into tpublic, right? So tpublic.com and just get into like my accounts, view my store right away. And yeah, I should be here. So how can we promote our Tpublic on Instagram? Before getting into Instagram, as an example, first of all, you will need to do some things, of course, on your Tpublic store. First, like creating or having a good cover, a good logo, necessary, right? Also, look at this design. Let me show you. So, what do you think? Trash, right? Make sure to not have a design like this. It's actually so bad. Make sure to create some trending designs. Research trending topics, pop culture, reference, and seasonal designs. You can use also social media, of course, and platforms like Google Trends to understand what's currently like popular. Create designs for that. Make sure to also optimize your listing, so use some relevant keywords in the title and description and also tags. It will also help you in SEO ranking, which is the most, I guess, important part. Because when people look for something in Google, if you have a good SEO ranking, you will show first. Like, I don't know, if I type here t-shirts. So, t-shirts. As you can see, people will keep scrolling maybe the homepage, the first page, but just keep in mind, I guess no one goes to the second page nowadays. Like, no one. So, if you increase your SEO ranking, instead of your like page looking at the face or you people find your page in the fifth page, it may be found in the first page. Okay, so make sure to have that. Also, make sure to promote maybe on social media like Instagram, what we'll do today. Run some discounts and promotions like this one. It's actually good. Build some niche audience, collaborate with influencers, engage with the T Public community, which is actually very good. You can also run some paid ads and use some high quality mockups, not like this one. This one is trash. As you can see, a stupid rectangular here, which is bad, actually so bad. I wouldn't buy this, not even for $1. So just ensure that your like products mockups looks professional and attractive, and this of course can impact whether someone decides to purchase your design or not. So now basically we would like to promote us on Instagram. How to do it right away. Of course, first of all, you would like to have or to create a business or creator account. If you have just a personal account, make sure to create another account, which is a business account, or switch your personal to a business account. Very easy to do. So, other, of course, business features will let you access Instagram analytics, advertising tools, and also will let you add some links to stories. Include also some compelling bio with a link to your T public store. So, in this like bio, make sure to have a good bio with at least a link to your store, not google.com. As you can see, the analytics that I talk about is this one. Also, make sure to post some high quality visuals of your design, of course, not of anything else. Because this now is business account, not like a personal account. Make sure to also leverage Instagram reels. Reels. It is the most like interested parts or the most popular parts on Instagram, which is reels. So Use some trending challenge, maybe, as an example, to show your design, or showcase your design. Share how you create your design on, as an example, your designs on or the story behind each one. Create some search, engaging reels, showing off new designs or bestsellers. Reels are highly favored by Instagram algorithms. You can also use Instagram stories. As an example, you can go and add your new story. As an example, it's actually will help a lot to do so. So make sure to optimize that or use it. Of course, engage with your audience by using maybe some interactive features like polls, quizzes, Q&A. For example, ask followers which design they like best. You can use, as an example, the countdown stickers to build some hype around incoming T-Public sales. If you have, of course, 10,000 followers plus, or you can use, of course, after that Instagram shopping. You can add like the products right away here, or you can simply just link the product into your stories and add the link to each one so users can buy like directly from there. And yeah, you can also like use hashtags are very powerful in Instagram, and keywords as well in your posts. Collaborate with influencers, engage with your audience, as we said before. Instagram shopping if available, if you reach like 10,000 followers and plus. Host some giveaways, an example, and contests. Collaborate with other designers or brands. Track and analyze performance. Create and posts like some user generated content. And finally, you can of course run some Instagram ads. So you can open new tab, go to Instagram like ads. This is actually very good and very useful, but it's paid, so you'll have to pay a little bit, invest a little bit on it. So you can go and create an ad as an example. Go and click on create an ad and follow the steps to create an ad. I've already made a video about this example on how to create an ad, so you can go and check it out. But as you can see, you can simply just follow the steps that's in here to do that. You can choose where, how, and etc. Keep clicking on continue, and you'll see how much, depending on how many people you want it. You want, of course, to how many people you want to reach. And yeah, that's gonna be it. So that's gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.